Okay, for this video, this is the fourth step in the Deadmore method, and this is a pretty easy one. The Deadmore method has like two different things that you can do. I think it's like you do. I think this is 1 and this is 2, something like that, and then there's a third one where you can switch the 1 and the third or something like that. I actually completely threw that out. I just focus not on numbers at all, but just on the 2 front corners that I'm trying to deal with. So when I'm doing this, I might have you know, in reality you will have always 1 that matches up, and maybe or you might have something that would come close to matching up. And because really, I mean, if you want a position, all you have to do is, if I want let's say I want black and orange and green. Well, I got the green here, and I got the black, and I got the orange. Oh, it's in the right place. It's just not in the right orientation, but that's not this step at all. I just want all my cubies in the right place. As you can see, I also have another black one here. And this black one, oh, now it's in the right place because I shifted it. So you can always have 1 that's in the right place if you move it around. But then we have to move these other 2. But when I move this one, it might not be correct. Actually, it happens to be correct. If I move this one here, it will be good. So then that means that this one's already good. But sometimes you will have to move 2 around to do this process. So that's all up to you. You really don't need 2 different algorithms. You just need 1 algorithm to do this. So I'm going to list that in our description. And it's a little bit of a mnemonic device, but a lot of it is just the sounds that you could hear. Either a dull I, which would still mean the inverse of something, or or it would have an E sound, which also refers to the Latin I. So if I'm saying E, I might be I am referring to I. You can change the sound to whatever you want because it will be in the description. So here we go. I have let's shift this a little bit. I was comfortable with where this one was, so it was black and it's orange and it's green, so this is good. Now I have this black one here. I want it here, and that would shift the other ones where I had them. Give me a second. I think I might change my mind. So let's go back to here, because then if I do it that way, when I shift this one here, this one's already in place. So why make it a lot more extra work if I don't have to? So I'm just going to have this one positioned here, and I'm going to move this one to here, and that will put them there, and then everything else will be correct. So I just need to fix these 2. So once I take care of this, then I'm done with this step completely. So here is the algorithm: LiTi, LoTTo to FiLiT, LoTTo. So we haven't talked a lot about the L, but I did show you that in the introductory video. So go back to my first video for this. Okay, so LiTi. So remember, when I'm facing a front, then the L is over here, and so I want LiTi. Li would be, oh, this is LiTi. So Li, Li, and then remember T, I look over here, Ti. LiTi. Lof, oh, that's an Lo, so that's just L normal. And then you hear the F, Lof. And then 2, that's a weird one. That's just because it's T normal. 2. Fil, Fi. And then it's FiLiT, so it's Li. Lit, and that's just normal T. La, again, L normal. To. But I said lot and then to, so then it's another T normal. Lily love to fill it LoTTo. Now let's see if I got it right. So I have the green, I have the orange, and the black. So it's in the right place. I have the orange, and I have the green, and the yellow. And I want to check each one just to be on the safe side, even though I said they would be in the right place. So I just double check it. And you should double check it when you're first doing it, because you might mix it up. So then I have green, red, yellow. And then again, I have the black, the red, and the green. Everything is in the right places. It's not in the right positions. So that was step 4. So it's a very easy one with just one algorithm. The Deadmore, if you look it up, will actually give you a couple switcheroos. So you could have these two, and then you'd have a third place. I think it's either here or there. And I've just completely deleted it from my memory because it's really not helpful at all. It's all about orienting the pieces, and then, you know, worst case scenario, if you'll have to do it twice. As long as you put one of them in the right place, you'll probably end up doing 2 movements, and just switch one around, and you know, maybe you'll do it 3, but you know, that depends on you. I find that it's most of the time I'm only doing 2, and it's pretty easy. So thanks again for tuning in, and I hope that was helpful, and feel free to leave comments. All right, thank you so much.